I walk down the stairs. I walk down the stairs. I open the gate. I open the gate. I step outside. I step outside. I feel the fresh air. I feel the fresh air. I look at the sky. I look at the sky. I see people walking. I see people walking. I hear traffic sounds. I hear traffic sounds. I walk on the sidewalk. I walk on the sidewalk. I check the time. I check the time. I wait at the corner. I wait at the corner. I see a bus coming. I see a bus coming. I raise my hand. I raise my hand. I get on the bus. I get on the bus. I find a seat. I find a seat. I sit down. I sit down. I look out the window. I look out the window. I watch the road. I watch the road. I relax my body. I relax my body. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. I feel calm. I feel calm. I leave my house. I leave my house. I walk to the market. I walk to the market. I see many shops. I see many shops. I hear people talking. I hear people talking. I enter a shop. I enter a shop. I take a basket. I take a basket. I look at the fruits. I look at the fruits. I choose some apples. I choose some apples. I put them in the basket. I put them in the basket. I look at the vegetables. I look at the vegetables. I pick some tomatoes. I pick some tomatoes. I walk to the dairy section. I walk to the dairy section. I take a bottle of milk. I take a bottle of milk. I feel satisfied. I feel satisfied. I wait in line. I wait in line. I go to the counter. I go to the counter.
RDX English Learning.